सरकार की कमी है।
अच्छा,
जो इतना जल भरा होता है यहाँ पे।
इतनी उमस गर्मी थी, आपको कितना ये लग रहा है?
अब तो अच्छा लग रहा है, लेकिन इससे प्रॉब्लम होती है,
अच्छा।
पानी भर जाता है ना,
अच्छा
इससे प्रॉब्लम होती है।
अच्छा, कितनी दिक्कत के सामने करना पड़ रहा है?
बहुत दिक्कत, पूरा गीला हो गया मैं। अब बस भी पता नहीं मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी ऑफिस के लिए।
पूरा रोड जाम है, कोई ये नहीं है। इनको तो पहले ये करना, सफाइया कर देना चाहिए, पाइप लाइन सब।
मौसम विभाग ने पहले बोला था कि बारिश होगी,
हाँ,
मगर
इधर रोड के कोई कंफर्म नहीं हुआ।
साफ सफाई नहीं हुए।
साफ सफाई नहीं हुआ, पाइप लाइन जाम है, पूरा रोड भरा पड़ा है। हम लोग जूता पहन के हाथ में लेके जा रहे हैं, ये कैसा ये है?
क्या करें, मजबूरी है। मजबूरी है तो जाना पड़ेगा ना।
कहीं न कहीं सरकार को सफाई करना चाहिए ना।
सरकार कुछ नहीं करती है, सरकार अपनी जेब भरती है, अपने घर भरता है।
हाँ।
अपने घर भरता है, घर भर गया बहुत कुछ है।
Let me take that point across to my colleague Nikhil, who has been reporting for us since this morning, and it seems like only the rains are going to be dampening the spirit as far as the given condition on the ground is concerned. Nikhil, good morning. Clearly, like we told our viewers, of course, it's a respite for Delhi NCR citizens from the scorching heat. But having said that, the visuals essentially that we're showing on our screens right now only go on to show the other aspect of the monsoon mayhem.
Well, correct, and this is the picture which is coming in from the capital city, which boasts itself for the best of the infrastructure across the country. Currently, we are reporting from the Delhi-Noida direct flyway, which is also reflecting traffic stalls because of the weather conditions. My camera person Gaurav is showing you the visual, and while you see the visual, this is the picture which is coming in from different other places of the capital city, which are also reporting the water logging and the traffic congestion as well. Remember, Nivedna, this is that time of the day when the commuters move towards their office space, particularly in the central side is the one which is mostly affected, and these are the people who are approaching towards the side of the capital city, and this is that particular stretch which connects the residents of the Noida and Ghaziabad city to that of the Delhi and central part and other parts as well, and this is that stretch which also leads towards the side of the South Delhi as well. So this is the commute which is currently being seen. People are clearly facing the difficulty, and the rainfall has been experienced in the capital city. The IMD department have further said that the rainfall activity is clearly going to continue for another day or two, and then in the forthcoming week as well, the intensity for the same Nivedna is going to further increase from what we have already experienced. So the official announcement from the side of the Met Department for the official arrival of the southwest monsoon is something which is still awaited, but the apathy is something in context to the civic sense. It is something which is currently being exposed from different parts of the capital city. We have seen the visuals which are coming in exclusively from the Terminal 1, where the roof, a part of the roof has already been collapsed. One person has been reportedly dead, and then these are the reflections which are seen on the other side, on the ground as well, on the street as well, where the people are facing the difficulty. And Nivedna, there are other important points as well which usually see the water logging, and this time around as well, the similar picture are coming in. For example, the Minto Road underbridge, that is the particular spot which connects the Connaught Place to that of the New Delhi railway station. So yet again, the water has been completely filled there, and there is vehicle which has been submerged at that exact point, and it comes under the central government rule and NDMC, New Delhi Municipal Corporation. So that is one place. There is Azad Market underpass as well, which is completely inundated with water, and the similar picture are coming in from different nook and corner of the capital city, but also the low-lying areas which are part of the city. They are the ones who are facing the most difficulty, because in the residential localities as well, in the colonies as well, the water has entered, and now it is causing a lot of difficulty for the commuters, for the residents as well. But if we talk about the weather conditions, clearly the temperature have come down to a lower level. In last few days, we have seen the intense heat wave conditions, and the temperature also reached out to as high as 50 degrees Celsius, Nivedna, for the very first time. But now it is somewhere around 30 degrees Celsius. So on one side, the relief is something which can be experienced by all the residents living across parts of the NCR region. But then on the other side, there are people who are also, they have started to face the difficulty as well, problem as well. And this is the trouble which is usually seen around this time of the year. Nivedna.
Right, Nikhil, and probably that's what is unfortunate, that we as citizens have to see this every year. Nothing's really changed on ground. But stay with me, since we're tracking more as far as the overall situation of the monsoon mayhem that we're seeing in the Delhi NCR region is concerned. In fact, I'm going to come back to you in a couple of minutes.